Okay, today we're looking at 3-1, relating graphs to events, page 84, number 6 through 17 all. I have a graph here of time versus distance. So as time increases, let's say you're walking, as time increases, you're going to be moving and walking forward, your distance is getting greater. But for some reason, let's say you take a break, so your distance doesn't change, but time is still going by, and then finally if you walk back, you're going back to where you started from, or distance becomes 0. The second one is the same thing, time over distance. Your distance is going up, and then you take a break over time, and then your distance goes up again, or maybe you're walking some more. And then lastly, these two, you start from a certain distance, and then you're going backwards here, and then taking a break, and you're going back to where you started. And this is where distance, you have a certain distance and you're walking back, and as time goes by, your distance becomes 0. Okay, so that's an example of graphs and events. So let's look at number 6 on our book here, and we'll try to make sense of this. When during the experiment is the temperature of the liquid increasing? Now if you look at this graph, you have time in minute versus temperature. Suppose it's a science experiment, and maybe you're burning it or heating it up. So this red graph here represents the temperature of the liquid. So you can see that from 0 minute, your temperature is going up. As soon as it hits 12 minutes, temperature goes down for whatever reason. So to answer this problem, between 0 and 12 minutes, your temperature is going up. Okay, let's look at this other graph here. Looks like Carlos and Al is on a race. And if you look at this graph, it's who started the race later? Look at number 13. Here's a time. You can see that Carlos starts the race at this point, and then a little bit of time later, Al starts. So really, to answer the question, who started the race later, it is Al who starts. Oops, let me erase that. Al starts the race after Carlos. Who finished the race first? Okay, if you look at this graph, Carlos and Al is racing, but if you see that Carlos slows down or stops, but Al keeps going, so you can see that Al actually finished the race before Carlos. So to answer the question, who finished the race first, the answer is once again Al.